Brother, pwede nang ilawan. Ay na makita. Mataas ang kilowatt.
I'm Rick Capistrano. I'm a chemist trying to help experiments and producing innovations. So our objective right now is pwede bang gawing biodiesel ito using Capistrano esterification process? Let's try. Simulan natin. Okay? This is called shake verification test or SVT. I-check nito kung yung oil is convertible into biodiesel using CVR process. Let's begin. So we weigh the specific amount of olive oil for conversion to biodiesel. So we have to heat this up. So while heating, we're going to make a methoxide solution. And remember, for ECVR transesterification process, it doesn't need to be boiling. Just the right temperature. Then we put the alcohol and the catalyst. Remember, the solution should stay floating. If it doesn't, it means there is something wrong with your solution. You press a little bit so that you prevent the mixture from expanding. Then shake. Rigorous shaking is necessary for the reaction to go forward. Okay, let's wait for a while until it settles. Here we go. This dark portion, can you see? That's glycerin. It's an indicator that we have produced biodiesel from olive oil. So this indicates that this olive oil can be converted into biodiesel using CVR transesterification process. Okay, that's good.
Brother, pwede nang ilawan. Ay na makita.
Mataas ang kilowatt. Hindi kasi stable ang solar.
Okay.